এতিয়া PM Kisan la opore ekdom tangor update ekta breaking update ekta olai gina ase eto update to ki ase kosi kole to kun kan eto PM Kisan la beneficiaries ase pai ase loi ase eto la benefit fund takan kun kan eta eto mobile number link nugurna ase noile EKYC complete no higina ase eto kan nimite ekdom phal khobor ase ekdom phal tangor ekta pisas na taka la khobor ase aru etia amehan agere jaigina eto ki laka breaking update ase eto sai lobo de aibi eta eto latest breaking update to ki ase kosi kole to amehan yati purubo PM Kisan mobile app becomes the first government scheme to have face authentication eto la matlab kun kan eto phone number link kurigina nai na eto kotha ekdom pusti remote village area khande tha akhan eton phone jola holebi means online process tik na jana khan phone number link nugurna nai noisi kole EKYC complete kurna nai noile aru edu mobile phone de OTP edu process kurole na jane noisi kole fingerprint kurole diktar pai edu khan nimite face authentication play store de babo edu PM Kisan la app to tade edu app download kurigina tade sita edu mobile phone khan face unlock kora nisna edu la system de amhan face authentication face identity verify korna kili athar de to edu already face to ase to photo to khali edu face pra verify kurigina edu process kuro baro access kuro barbo edu la koi ase to amhan niche de ahigina puri sabo ki koi ase yare koi ase the government launch a face authentication feature in the PM Kisan app on Thursday edu jo Thursday de aji Sunday na edu Friday Saturday Friday Thursday 3 din agere edu launch kurse making it the first central welfare program to incorporate this technology beneficiaries farmer can now complete their EKYC procedure by scanning their face on mobile devices eta EKYC bi edu face edu scan korbo amhan ina edu EKYC bi process te kuro parbo eliminating the need of one time password OTP aru fingerprint edu use nukurigina moi agere kwanisina senior officials including Minister of States for Agriculture Kailash Chaudhary Agriculture Secretary Manoj Ahuja Additional Secretary Pramod Kumar Meherda and Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar attend the unveiling of this new app feature avnen post kurigina puro bare during the announcement Meherda shared that the PM Kisan scheme has become the first government program to conduct EKYC through facial authentication on a mobile app this feature is particularly beneficial for elderly farmers agire ko anisna bura buri khan kotha edu phone khan de phal bra process kuro na jane na edu procedure edu khan nimite phala ase pusti thaka remote places remote villages te thaka khan kun khan beneficiaries ase takhan nimite phala ase edu one time password mobile de iman edu procedure kuro kam nai play store ba edu app download kurlobo edu app download kursi gole aram pra edu kam hoi jabo who do not have their mobile numbers linked to their Aadhaar card sabe Aadhaar card te mobile number link nukurna thaka khan bi etia edu facial authentication na face scanning kurigina edu feature aram pra access kuro pare kurigina koi ase the pilot test for the face authentication feature in the PM Kisan mobile app began on May 21st this year May 21 de start hoise edu pila pra paigina thakise holebi edu confirm no habar moi edu la update na anigina thakise aje ani dia ase takhan edu government bra officially release kurita biside ani dia ase according to Meherda since the approximate 3 lakh farmers have successfully undergone EKYC previously 3 lakh farmers kanto successful hoi jaise edu EKYC kura do through edu facial scanning na authentication ina orna kura do 3 lakh to pass hoi jaise PM Kisan beneficiaries had to complete EKYC using biometrics and designate allocation or through one-time password sent to their registered mobile number linked to their Aadhaar. During the EKYC process, awnen post kurigina puribide moi main hi koi dibo. To simplify the EKYC process, the ministry decided to introduce the facial authentication feature in the PM Kisan mobile app. The face authentication feature used the IRIS data from the Aadhaar number of the user. Idula matlab kide amhan face to scan korbo tare Aadhaar de ki ase ki na edu automatic ahi jabo jodi edu intruder khan kotha fake ina authentication kuru gosi gole idu access kuru ni dibo real owner asol malik koda koda awni do pai ase holwe awni idu OTP khan kuru bole na jane noile mobile number link kuri gina nai ina hosi gole awni idu face scan kurbo ina hosi gole awni la athar do record ase government law de idu direct awni idu cholao parbo idu khali awni la face scan kurbo ina na awni arambra process kuri gina jao parbo idu la matlab ko ase to jiman manu idu update sai dise sobke khushi janai diase khata ektai thagise poila bra thagise idu poila bra takhan process kur thagise government to trial kur thagise holbi tik official release nukura bra announce nukura bra moi nokoi gina thagise to ita do trusted in the announcement kur dise ita idu julibo parbo idu nimite aji moi idu khata update ekta loi gina anise aur jodi app khan du kina download kurbo idu na janise gole to comment section de rakhi dibi moi phal bra idu khan ani gina dikhai dibo kili gole do amen manu ita takbe hasi dia la anu hede idu ame kunba manu do ase ki captcha fill guru boli na jane email hali boli na jane ina kabe ase to main do idu channel do ina khan ke modot kurole nimite idu la program de thagi ase to paradak to modot kuri dibo dei koina raste awnian sob ke aru khushi janai ase awnian la support karne to happy sunday bye bye phalba thakibi next day log